Hello,
my name's Boris Rombach. I'm a head chef with Dussmann Service, an international multi-service provider. Today I'd like to show you how I measure the quality of our cooking oil using the Testo 270. First of all, I take the fries out of the deep fryer, because if there's any food left in it, there's water in the cooking oil too, which increases the polar component and would lead to false measurement results. This is my Testo 270. I switch it on and it's ready for use. I can't begin measuring until there are no more bubbles rising up out of the oil, because then there's no water in there either. It's important to make sure the plastic parts don't come into contact with the hot oil, and also to maintain the minimum distance of 1 centimeter between the sensor and any metal parts. Ideally, I measure between the min and max markings. After a short acclimatization time of about 30 seconds, I can carry out the measurement itself. To do this, I move the sensor in small circles in the oil. That's it. Now I can remove the instrument again. Careful, the probe is very hot, so please don't touch it. And I can now see the quality of my cooking oil in the display. The following measurement values are important. First of all, the temperature. Here we have 160 degrees Celsius. Then the most important, the TPM value. It indicates how many so-called total polar materials there are in the oil. The fewer the better. Our value of 14.5 means we're in the optimum frying range. I write down my measurement values. I could carry out as many more measurements as I wish. All I need to do is wipe off the instrument with a soft cloth and replace into the oil. But I'm finished with my measurement now, so I can clean it thoroughly over the sink. To clean the sensor, it's enough to just rinse it under running water with a mild detergent. It's important not to use any aggressive cleaning products or abrasive sponges. Then simply carefully dry it off with a soft cloth. As you can see, I can ensure the quality of my cooking oil very quickly with the Testo 270. For me, this has 3 significant advantages. Firstly, I comply with legal requirements. Secondly, since I don't use the oil too long, I ensure the quality of the deep-fried foods. And thirdly, as I don't replace the oil too early, I can considerably save costs. We serve deep-fried foods here once a week, and thanks to the Testo 270, I've been able to save 50% of my cooking oil.